Doing something a little bit different tonight. I have got another unboxing episode for you, but that's just it. It's an unboxing episode, and I'm going to talk to you guys a bit about it after I've finished. Okay guys, let's get into it. It is the Assassin's Creed Collector's Edition. Alright, we'll just take off that slipcase. Very neat looking box with all the Egyptian themed prints on it. Very, very cool. Quite huge as well, as you can see. It's taking up nearly all the camera space here. Alright. Let's take that off. Very solid case. Which is very cool. Alright. Let's have a look-see. Alright, we will open that up in a minute. First we'll take out this drawer. It's like a secret compartment, which is pretty cool. Alright, there we have. There's the game. Do love that cover. Doesn't come with a steelbook this edition, but very cool cover. Alright, what else have we got here? Okay. Do want to cover all those up. Keep my download codes. But there is a couple of download codes to add to the game and the soundtrack from the game. So there we go. Alright. This looks like a map. There we go. Bit of a map of the game. There we go. Keep with the Aztec Egyptian theme with some symbols and stuff there right on the back. There is a sword. Look at that. His weapon of choice. Just put him over here. And the last thing in the tray looks like an art book. Let's have a look, see what we've got in here. Oh wow, there's some very cool artwork. Hoping to see quite a bit of this in the game. There we go. Very cool art book. Alright. Just put this one down here. Alright, let's get into this guy. Let's just pull him out. Alright. Get rid of that. Alright. Very awesome looking statue right here. Great detail. Love these bits around here. Looks like his clothes are flapping in the wind. Very awesome model. As you can see too on the lion's head that he's standing on, the detail put into it to make it, you know, look weathered, look dirty with sand. I've got to give him a big ups for that. That looks amazing. Yeah, just look at our main character there. He's in the stance ready to do a leap of faith, which is synonymous with the Assassin's Creed series. So very, very happy the way this statue looks. Very good to add to my collection. There he is. Look at him there. Even with the bow there. Bloody movable piece of string. Very cool. Alright. Now, what I wanted to discuss with you guys was some of these other channels out there that do unboxings, that get their collector's editions, and some of them get them for free. They kind of just come along and show you what's in the collection and go, oh yeah, I've got this, and you don't. Which is kind of how I see some of these channels. They just show you what they got, put it up, you guys have a look, and that's fine. That's great. I mean, they've made a bit of a living out of doing this. They've been doing it on YouTube for a while. But what I like to do for you guys is I want to give you guys something more. I don't just want to say, look what I got. I can't do that to you guys. I like to make videos for you guys. I like to set themes for you guys. I suppose what I'm asking you guys, do you want to see somebody put in some extra, put in some effort to bring you guys a bit of fun to go along with these videos? I mean, we're all gaming fans of people that watch this. I think to myself, why don't I give you guys a bit extra of something to look at, not just say, hey, I've got this and you don't, or you might not be able to get it now, so, you know, haha, I've got it. I don't think that's the way it should be. I mean, and some of these channels, actually, I've got an idea. I've got a new video idea right now as we sit here. That'll be for another video, but I suppose what I'm saying is I like to give you guys something else, something a bit different when it comes to these videos. So let me know what you think in the comments. Stay tuned for some more What's in the Box segments. I've actually got one more for this Assassin's Creed Origins Collector's Edition. So stay tuned for that. There'll be a few laughs in that one for you. I want you to have a laugh, and I want to put in effort to show you guys that, yeah, I've got this thing. I want you guys to come on a bit of a journey, have a bit of a laugh as we go along, as well as enjoying the products that I show you as we go along. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for this video. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Remember, leave some comments about these videos. Thanks guys. Catch you soon. Bye. Oh look, right there. It looks like it's just been made for it.